Welcome back. When one section of the society is gearing up for carnival, another section is protesting against the celebration of carnival in Goa. Goa Suraksha Sena claims that carnival is a tradition of Portuguese and hence it should be banned.
Carnival is a great tourist attraction, but this time it is the Goa Suraksha Sena who has protested against the celebration of carnival. They say it is the festivity of Portuguese rule and it should be banned. President of Goa Suraksha Sena Hridainath Shirodkar said that carnival celebration in Goa should be banned and that they would agitate on the day of celebration in the state.
तर अशें आसा की कार्नावाला पोर्तुगीजांनी गोंयांत सुरू केल्लो आशिल्लो. पोर्तुगीज उलयल्यार तांचे पोर्तुगीजचे कल्चर आसा ते गोंयांतल्यान वचचे अशी आमची एक मागणी आसा. कार्नावालाक हे अशें जाता की किंग मोमो म्हणून एक आर्टिफिशियल एक पात्र तयार करतात आनी त्या पात्राच्या तर्फे जाहीर अशें केलें वता की गोंयांत आयच्यान 4 दीस किंग मोमोची राजवट सुरू जातली. हे जे आसा ते आमकां अशें दिसता की अनकॉन्स्टिट्युशनल आसा की टुरिजमाच्या नांवा खाली जर अशें म्हणत आसत चेअरमॅनान असो एक स्टेटमेंट केलो की संस्कृतीपेक्षा आमचे पैसे श्रेष्ठ आणि जर अशें आसत जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी पयसो करत बसतो सरकार तेंच्यांनी चलोवचें न्ही आनी सगळ्यांनी हेंच्यांनी राजिनामा दिवचो अशी आमची एक मागणी आसा. सो आमी प्रखरपणे विरोध करतले आनी कार्नावाल आमी बंद दवरतले अशें आमचें धोरण आसा.
General Secretary of Goa Suraksha Sena Rakesh Karmali said that they had given a memorandum to Chief Minister Digambar Kamath in this regards.
अपॉइंटमेंट घेतलो तर ते 2 वरां ताणें आमकां बसोवन दवरलो आनी 5 मिनटां खातीर आमकां 3 वरां ताणें बसोवन दवरलो थंय आनी थंय तो कितें सांगपाक लागलो की इट इज कमींग अंडर ट्युरिजम म्हणून. ट्युरिजम हे हांव कितें म्हणटा ट्युरिजम हे गोवा सरकारा खाला आसा काय आनी खंयच्या सरकाराच्या सेंट्रल मिनिस्ट्री खाला आसा काय अशें म्हणटा. आनी एक पॉयंट म्हणल्यार ताणें आमकां सीएमान कितें सांगलां सपोज जर तातूंत भितर ऑप्शनिटी दिसता तुमकां जाल्यार आपल्या येवन कळोवचें. पूण अशी ऑप्शनिटी खूब फावटी जाल्ली आसा तो म्हणटा जायना पूण तर सपोज जाली न्ही आमी ताजेर कोर्टाक वतले त्या हाजेर.
Incidentally, when Ram Sena is being debated all over the country because of Mangalore Hangama, many have raised their eyebrows citing the emergence of this Goa Suraksha Sena. Our reporter in Margao, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Serving public politically can earn you fortunes. Those who disagree the fact should certainly refer to the latest survey of India Today, an empowering India organization wherein it proves that only rich and powerful rule the common man.
In a country like India, where 70% of people are still striving for financial stability, its politicians are thriving their personal assets day by day. There has always been a wide contrast between common man and his politicians. In the survey, our Goan politicians are also leading the front. Among MLAs, our Savarde MLA Anil Salgaonkar leads the race with total assets declared Rs 91.4 crores. Anil Salgaonkar has also made a mark by being the 3rd richest MLA in the country. Taligaon MLA Atanasio Monserrat owns Rs 15 crores. Senior politician and speaker Pratap Singh Rani declared his assets to be 8.9 crores. Whereas Kunkolim MLA Joakim Alemao has assets worth Rs 8.3 crores. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane has a healthy amount of 7.5 crores as his total assets. Among crorepati Chief Ministers of India, Chief Minister of Goa Digambar Kamath stands on 9th position all over the country with the total assets of Rs 3.1 crores. One thing is clear, poverty or no poverty, recession or no recession, our politicians are going to be richer, wealthier and mightier. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The dream of Theatre Academy has finally come into reality. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has now assured that idea of granting industrial status to Theatre Academy will be considered. He was speaking at the inaugural function of the Theatre Academy at Ravindra Bhavan in Margao on Monday.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, who was the chief guest for the function, was seen in a very different mood. Just check out. Director of Art and Culture Prasad Loilekar, Teatris Master Vaz, President of Theatre Academy Tommasino Cardozo, were present for the inaugural function along with Chief Minister Digambar Kamath. Kamath said that he will consider the idea of giving industrial status to theatre.
आपल्याला दिसता नाही की तियात्र आज इतल्या मोठ्या प्रमाणाचेर मुखार पावला तांकां आधार जाय तांकां सरकारा कडल्यान पुश मेळपाक जाय जाल्यार ते आनीकय कितें कितें करपाक शकतात आनी म्हणून तो सुद्दां म्हणपाक लागलो की सरकारान विचार करचो की ह्या तियात्रिस्ता खातीर कितें करपाक जाय बाब थॉमासिनाचें म्हणणें आशिल्लें तियात्रिस्ताक तो तियात्र आतां इंडस्ट्रियल दर्जो दिवपाक जाता म्हणून सरकार ताजेर अवश्य विचार करतलो सरकार एक्झामीन करतलो खरेंच तियात्राक जर इंडस्ट्रियल दर्जो दिवपाक जालो ताचो फायदो त्या तियात्रिस्तांक आनी तियात्राचे एक मातशें एक काम करपी सगळ्यांक जावपाक शकतलो.
Various theatrists were felicitated for their lifetime achievements. Can theatres stay without performing at the inauguration of Theatre Academy? Theatres from senior to junior category perform memorable kataras. A reporter from Margao, Santan Rodriguez.
Various educational organizations under the banner of Goa Integrated Educators Forum have demanded implantation of Part B skills. They have also warned government not to force them to create unrest in the educational field.
All Goa Secondary Teachers Association President Vithoba Desai, President of Higher Secondary Principal Forum Sadanand Hinde, Umesh Naik and others were present at the press briefing on Monday in Panji. Desai requested government to implement B scales.
The teachers have requested the government on several occasions to implement Part B skills. The government, in spite of giving us the right wages, the fair wages under Part B, they have given us some replacement skills which are not actually applicable.
They have also warned government not to take them for a ride and force them to create unrest in educational field.
But the government should not take us for the ride. They should not feel that the teachers are weak. We now want the government, you give us the Part B skills or we shall be compelled, we shall be constrained to take such actions that will cause unrest in the education field.
Our reporter from Panji, Manoj Arulkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.